A new AI is about to disrupt the industry and potentially take over thousands of jobs, with Elon Musk urging to stop AI advancement and making his new AI startup. Welcome to AI Society. Welcome to the year of AI breakthroughs and the artificial general intelligence building marathon. AI is advancing at an incredible pace, from the advanced deepfakes to AI-generated images to the Chat GPT-4. This progress has the potential to impact our jobs and potentially replace people. Don't believe this? Just days ago, Elon Musk was urging to stop AI advancement due to the negative effects it could have on humanity and due to its sudden incredible growth. He plans to take on the Microsoft-backed OpenAI company with his coming startup. A video about this in detail coming soon. But many still believe that AI will not impact our job market until years to come. Or will it? A new competitor has entered the field, AutoGPT, Chat GPT's far more capable sibling that has the potential to disrupt the entire job industry. Let's take a closer look at what AutoGPT is and how it's different from GPT-4. Let's say your goal is to create a website and advertise it on Instagram. The Chat GPT-4 can help you write certain parts of the code for the website when you send certain prompts. It can help you debug code step by step or write articles or posts. But Chat GPT-4 has limitations. You need to constantly prompt it, monitor its results, and it has limited storage with no access to the web. AutoGP, on the other hand, is a self-sufficient, autonomous AI. You give it a goal, and it will do everything else for you by itself. It can execute a long-term plan solo, without needing to be told what to do by a human. It will self-monitor and self-improve constantly, with access to the internet and much larger storage. Should we panic? Absolutely. With such an early release, we are already seeing some mind-blowing glimpses of the future. Take a look at these examples. This tweet that reads, "Meet Isabella, my personal investment analyst designed to autonomously gather and analyze market data for me, saving the results into my system files for me."
Sentiment Analysis Agent 2 here, reporting for duty. Hello, Sentiment Analysis Agent 2. Your task is as follows. Perform sentiment analysis on key companies within the energy sector.
This project of an AI agent that conducts product research.
In this example, we're creating an autonomous agent that's going to conduct product research. We're asking it to look for the best headphones on the market. It's going to look at pros, cons, and the prices, and it's going to create a written report with all of its findings. This happens completely automatically. It's doing a web search to find the different headphones, different reviews from different websites, and it's going to scrape all that information, clean it up, condense it for us.
This use case, where the AI reads about recent online events and creates a podcast outline all by itself, from marketing to programming, investing, research, writing, countless job markets will be affected by this. AI's influence on the job market is inevitable, but don't panic. To stay on top and learn ways to combat this influence, subscribe for more AI news content or join AI Society, a community dedicated to helping you navigate the changing job landscape.